Hello and welcome to LTD Junkie, a podcast where I review the top lifetime deals and how they could benefit your business. My name is Mike, and I use my 18 years of experience in software and design to dig deep into each software platform. Thanks for joining us today. Hello again, junkies. In this episode, we're going to review Project.co, one of the current deals on AppSumo. So if you're new to LTD or lifetime deals and have just tuned into the show, think of it this way. Software used to be bought at a one-time price until companies have started their subscription prices to access the software. So LTDs are usually software as a service, SaaS platforms offered at a one-time price for consumers. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, Project.co is another project management tool. They've got a lot of features, and this is actually their second time to go live on AppSumo. So they are on their next version of this platform. So let's see what's inside. So if you're listening to the podcast, you can check out the video version on my channel. That's at youtube.com/@MrDesign. That's MRDZYN. So this is actually the dashboard for Project.co. So I actually have some projects in here. So you have projects, templates, you have tasks, you can assign people, you can assign groups, files, payments, and their time tracker. So when you try to organize your project, actually they have existing projects when you log in here. These are the couple of ones. So probably we'll try to create our own project from scratch. So if you try to create your project, let's say this is a CRM project, so it's active, the dates, let's say starts today, and then should be completed by July. Okay, so you can restrict it to just those people who are invited to the project, and this is a project. Great. Okay, so you can actually add a tool, you can add discussions, you can add files, you can add tasks. So it's pretty much modular when it comes to doing projects. So if you can have as many tools and as many embeds in here, you can embed anything with their single embed, notes, payments. Oops, probably delete that. Time. Okay. Can be seen. Okay. Okay, this is a note. This is the description. Okay, going back to the CRM project. Close that particular page, open it, and as you can see, you can have discussion threads. We can have tasks assigned to it, so it's very collaborative. Delete. Okay, nope. can have custom fields in here. Say ratings. This would be like numeric. Okay. So yeah, the thing is, if you add something in here, not sure if how you can actually delete it. Yeah, cannot right click on it. Yeah, that anyway, if there's something that they haven't done in here, so you can add an image, a cover image for the project. You can store it. Okay, so you can have it as a favorite. Convert to a template. So, well, I'm not really sure how you can put it as part of your favorites. Cannot find anything here. You can duplicate it, you can convert it to a template, you can complete the project or close it. So yeah, I think it's just one of the quirks of this platform right now. So yep, so basically that's about everything that you can do inside project.co. I'm not sure if they have already a mobile app, so probably not. Yeah, apps. Yep, they don't have. Oh yeah, they do have for Mac and desktop apps as well. Okay, so I guess comparing this with other project management tools, I think it's not yet as full featured as FreeGamp or Blue. So there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoy today's episode, and please do check out project.co using the link in the description. And see you again, junkies. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and be sure to subscribe to our podcast to get notified of the newest software on lifetime deal. Follow us on social media or subscribe to our newsletter. See you later, junkies!